Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your stock intake louder. Many car enthusiasts enjoy a more aggressive engine sound, and you can achieve this without buying expensive aftermarket parts. We'll explore a few straightforward techniques that can enhance your vehicle's intake acoustics. These methods are generally easy to perform and can often be reversed if you change your mind later on. Let's dive in and get that engine roaring a bit more. One of the simplest ways to increase intake noise is by modifying your airbox. Removing the airbox lid can immediately make the intake sound much more prominent, especially under acceleration. Another option is to carefully drill a few small holes, perhaps 5 to 10, in the non-filtered section of the airbox. Remember, maintaining good air filtration is crucial for engine health, so always keep your air filter clean and properly seated. This is a low-cost, high-impact change. Another effective method involves removing the intake resonator. Many stock intake systems include a resonator, which is essentially a chamber designed to reduce intake noise. By removing this component, you allow more of that raw engine sound to come through. You'll typically find the resonator as a plastic box or tube connected to the main intake piping. This usually takes about 20 to 45 minutes and can significantly deepen your engine's growl, particularly when you accelerate hard. Before making any modifications, it's always wise to research your specific vehicle model. While these changes are generally safe, some vehicles might react differently. Be mindful that altering airflow could subtly affect your engine's air-fuel mixture, though usually not significantly with these minor changes. Always double-check that all clamps and hoses are securely fastened after your work. Finally, be aware of any local noise ordinances or vehicle modification laws in your area. Enjoy your new, louder intake sound responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.